Was there a breach this weekend in Truro? Find out next!
CapeCast.
Stormy weather on the Outer Cape this weekend. Check out this view from Wellfleet, but perhaps the most interesting action was up in Truro. Howdy folks, it's December 15th, somewhere around 9:30 a.m. We are at Ballston Beach in Truro, looking at this Pamet breach area, which is being somewhat threatened by the stormy high tide. Just about getting into the area where it poured through in March. So we're keeping an eye on that. We're getting kind of close here. Sand was brought in after the breach in March to kind of buttress up the area, but the storm here has given it a run for its money. I stayed through the high tide cycle and did not see a breach. But who knows what's going to happen next time, with a winter full of storms on the way.